Alright, Bobby and Kylie, we got some cool things to check out today. Let's see what we got here. I'm going to go ahead and just stand up like this and kind of focus over, but we've got some ZyroFoam Flarp noise putty. Flarp. And just for fun, while you guys are playing around with the Flarp noise putty, we've got some cars, Lollipop rings. I know, Bobby, you love cars, right? And then Kylie, I know you're a fan of the Charms Blow Pop, so you can have some of those if you want. And then you can suck on the lollipop and get the bubble gum in the middle. Okay? Alright, so let's go ahead and check out the Flarp noise putty. Okay, so now you guys got your Flarp noise putty. Go ahead and tear it open. Go ahead and tear it open, Bobby. You can start now. Oh, look at that! You got the green Flarp putty there, Bobby, and Kylie, you got the cool looking blue one, but Bob, yours is like green slime.
Sky blue. Yeah.
Sky blue? Okay.
It looks like
Stinky farts? How does it feel?
Fun oozy.
Oozy?
Stretchy, like
Oh, let me see that, Bobby. Look at it.
it's stretchy, like it's stretchy.
Kylie, are you smelling it or eating it?
I smell the noise putty. It tastes like lime.
Tastes like lime? I was gonna say, don't really eat it.
Blue raspberry.
Blue raspberry? Okay, well you can smell it, just don't eat it. Okay, you're supposed to just play with it. It's gooey, putty, farty fun. Let's put it back in a container, and I think that's how you make the. Oh yeah, yeah. There you go. That's the fart sound. What the heck?
It feels oozy.
Yeah, it feels oozy. Oh my gosh.
I have a toot.
Let's zoom in on Bobby's there, and let's see how you're doing it, Bobby.
I have a toot one.
Oh my God, Bobby. All right, Kylie, let me see you do yours. You gonna do it with your elbow? Let me see. You want to do it with your elbow?
Well, I can.
Yeah, that's not working. All right, you guys enjoyed playing with that the fart putty?
Yeah.
All right, so you guys got some little treats there. So Kylie, go ahead and eat your blow pop.
So hard.
So hard, like you mean it's hard, like a hard lollipop?
Yeah.
And Bobby, get out your lollipop rings. Choose one. What do you got there?
Where's the mirror? I want my queen.
Well, dig in there and see if there's some other ones.
Oh, yay, McQueen down. Yay.
You found a Lightning McQueen?
Yeah, there's another one inside.
Yeah, what else is in there? Yeah, Kylie, that's true. Let's see what else we got in there.
I think it must be the piston cup. Yeah.
Is it a piston cup, like the piston cup trophy?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's kind of cool. Show. Let me see it here. Show all of them. Let me see. Piston cup. There's Lightning McQueen. And let's see, Cruz Ramirez. All right, very cool. And Kylie, how's your blow pop? What flavor you got?
Grape.
Grape. All right. Well, let's go ahead and you guys can kind of snack on the blow pop and the little candy ring, Bobby. But go ahead and keep playing with the fart. That's it. Yeah, there's just 3 of them in there. And then
Whoa, Putty.
looks like you're making like a pizza.
What's
How about you, Kylie? What are you making?
Pizza?
You're making a pizza too?
Yeah.
All right, let me see it. Make a pizza. Oh my God! Yeah, oh, yeah. Okay. You guys are giving the fart putty a spanking, huh? Anyway, so keep on going. Keep on going.
Look at my pepperoni. I'm making pepperoni. Bobby, look. I'm making a ball.
Bobby, you're so busy with that pizza, huh?
That's for the customers. I'm gonna make it with some apple slices.
Apple slices?
Yeah, the pizza for the customers. I'm gonna make a headset.
You gonna make a headset?
Yeah, I'm gonna make stretchy. It's stretchy.
Okay, now that's kind of cool.
I
Yeah,
made
that
a
does look like a
rainbow.
headset.
It's
Look like a headset or like a blue, like one of those old
It's
telephones.
stretchy like bath. Mine looks like a jelly bath.
Stretchy like what, Bobby?
Mine looks like a jelly bath. It's stretchy like jelly bath. Mine is stretchy.
It's stretchy.
Hey Dad, I have to show you something. Check this out. It's Zooey Gooey like slime bath. It's Zooey Gooey like slime bath.
Kind of like slime bath.
Yeah, it looks like. But it looks like jelly bath.
Yeah, you guys loved it. You do that slime bath, huh? With the green
that's
slime in the bathtub.
good. What about the magic clip doll can get oopsies?
Anyway, one more time. Let's see you guys do some crazy things with the fart putty.
So farted wet.
Yeah, it definitely sounds like a fart, don't it?
Oh, what about we can braid them? Well, we can braid them.
Yeah, you can make like hair braids.
Yeah.
All right, last thing we're gonna check out here, because I'm just curious to see what it's like, is this ZyroFoam. It says it glows in the dark and it's reusable modeling compound.
I don't know the butterfly and the flower.
Oh yeah, it does make butterflies and flowers.
I'm making braids.
Yeah, I see that. Yeah, you're gonna make some beautiful braids, huh? A rainbow, a green rainbow.
This one could be mine.
Yeah, you can have cruiser mirrors if you want, Kylie.
Both of them.
Anyway, what'd you do with your Charms Blow Pop? It's just kind of like laying there on the coffee table.
Bouncy.
Yeah, oh, it is bouncy, huh? Let's see that. Boing, boing. Yeah, that's cool.
It's fun.
All right, well, let's check out that ZyroFoam. Let's check it out.
I just saw it. Come on, ZyroFoam. I want to play with you. Oh.
What's it like, Bobby?
Oh, it's
Can you get it out? It's kind of sticky inside there, like it's stuck, huh?
yeah, sticky. Oh, it's coming out. It's coming out. Oh, there it is. Our ZyroFoam. Wait, this doesn't look like an ice cream.
Ice cream.
It looks like fart putty.
It looks like fart putty too. Whoa, you're strong. Look at that. Boy, you just ripped it in half.
What about we make it
Look at
like
Kylie. Kylie's still busy. Well, she was making hair braids. Now she's just trying to jam all the fart putty back in the container.
bread? This looks like a hot dog bread.
Hot dog bread? Does it feel weird? Let me check it out. I just want to check it out. Let me see. Oh yeah, that does feel weird. It's got like a sticky feeling to it. And you can break into like little pieces. Look at that.
Yeah.
Wow, that's cool.
My turn.
Yeah, baby.
What's inside? What is inside this ice cream?
What's inside that ice cream? That's fart putty ice cream. Oh wait, inside your fart putty ice cream is Cruz Ramirez. You hid the lollipop ring inside there?
Yeah.
Bobby, what do you think? You like that ZyroFoam?
Make it into a hot dog.
You're gonna make a hot dog and put it inside your hot dog bun? I know you love hot dogs.
Okay, we got it out.
You got it. That's like a surprise inside your fart putty. You made your own surprise.
I will make this. I open it up.
Yeah, go ahead. Whoa. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god!
So Bobby, what do you think? You like it?
Yeah. Look, you can put it to your ring. one.
I like it. You got a Cruz Ramirez ring.
Open one.
Makes it handy to,
I'm gonna open one.
you know, suck on for your lollipop.
It's an orange flavor. Oh, I got McQueen. Oh, McQueen. I'm gonna taste it. Mine is a.
Okay, well I think
Orange flavor.
I'm gonna let you guys keep on eating your candy and checking out the ZyroFoam and the Flarp Putty. Okay. All right, guys. Until next time. Bye.